Introducing the 2013 Ford Explorer. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With a solid 6-cylinder engine, the powertrain includes front-wheel drive, driven by a 6-speed automatic transmission. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Savor your listening experience with the premium sound system. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Heated seats are a desirable comfort feature. Tailor the temperature to your preference and your passengers. Power and reliability are a great combination. This vehicle has both. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: keyless entry, leather seats, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, Bluetooth wireless, and AM/FM stereo with a CD player. Call today to schedule a test drive.